Good morning once again, my lovely people. Uh, if you can see me here this morning, that means there is an issue that I want to sort out. Yeah, there's an issue I want to sort out concerning the post that I made. The reason why some of the foreigners we don't want to go back to our country. Yeah, some people understood what I'm saying, and some people too are saying a different thing. You see, and other opinions of people does not matter to me. You understand? Because I'm not talking about any country. I'm talking about my country, Ghana, because I've stayed in Ghana and I'm currently here in South Africa. So if I'm to talk about it, I'm in the best position to talk about it. Yeah. You that you are in Ghana and you want to talk about South Africa, you can't talk about it because you've not been here before. Same way I can't be here and be talking about the US. It's someone that is in the US that can talk about US better than I do. Anything that I will say will be what I'll be saying in the internet, on the internet to talk about. You understand? Yeah. I was reading the comment, the engagement, and one person told me that, hey, no matter what, I'm not going to come to South Africa. Ghana is far better than South Africa. Okay, fine. Let me make this, or let me sound this clear to any African that is listening to me, any black African, any black African that is listening to me. There is no African country, there is no African country, black African country that is better than South Africa. You may like it or not, but let me tell you the truth. Okay, you let me leave other African countries. Let me talk about Ghana. Ghana can never be better than South Africa, whether you like it or not. Ghana can never be better than South Africa. Whether you are happy, you are not happy. Somebody will say, "Oh, why you are a Ghanaian and you are talking about your country this way? You are backlashing your country." Let me tell you the truth. What I'm saying is the gospel fact. You understand? It's the gospel fact. It's the truth that I'm telling you. Ghana can never be better than South Africa. You understand? When we are looking at economy, likewise, they are better than us. When we are looking at health sector, they are better than us. When we are looking at education, they have better schools than us. When we are looking at sports, they are far ahead of us. Somebody will say, "Oh, but football, we are doing well." One thing you need to understand is that it's not only football. It's not only football that is sports. You understand? Yeah, football, they are participating even in the World Cup and they are doing well. And when you come to the South African Premier League, it's far better than what is going on in the Ghana Premier League. They pay well, they have better pitches, they have better planning, everything than the Ghana Premier League. Even a Sundowns player, one player, the salary that person is taking, it's even more than the whole Ghana Premier League. When you win the trophy, or when your team you become first, the amount that you are going to get. You understand? And currently we are talking about the rugby champions. They've won the Rugby World Cup 3 times. And currently they are the world champions. You understand? They are still holding the title. Even Ghana cried, the rugby cried. I don't even know whether we play or we don't play. You understand? And when we are talking about security intelligence, they are far ahead, better than us. Don't come and tell me our soldier is better. Hey, don't think because your soldiers, they've lifted metals, so they are better than South African soldiers. Hey, they are far better than us in terms of intelligence, in terms of equipment, ammunitions. When it happens that there is war in South Africa, hey, there is war in the world. There is war in Africa now. The equipment and the things that South Africa will use, my country, we don't have some. I'm telling you, my country, we don't have some. Yeah, then somebody will tell me, "Oh, we also have the hospital." Hey, that is why when your ministers and your politicians, when they are sick, some of them, they run to South Africa for good health care. Some of them, they run here for operations. You understand? So you are sitting and sleeping in that single room there. You are there trying to tell me that South Africa, Ghana is better than South Africa. We are all saying this, or people are angry with South Africa because of the approach that they are approaching, or their tactics concerning this illegal immigration migrants. You understand? I don't support what they are doing because they are other African people in other countries. You see, USA, they are deporting people. Europe, they are deporting people. You understand? Every country, they are deporting people. You see, but I think the approach that the South Africans are using, that is the approach that I don't support. You understand? Attacking people, beating people, whether you are legal or illegal. You understand? If they want to deal with the illegal people, you understand, the illegal migrants, I understand. But even that way, even there are law enforcement people that are supposed to do that. There are people that are supposed to do that. So one, the approach that they are using, going around beating people, I don't support it. And there are some South Africans too that don't also support that approach. You understand? Yeah, they don't also support that approach. We are saying, oh, South Africans are bad. It's not all South Africans that are bad. It's not all South Africans that are bad. When you meet some of them and you get closer to some of them, you know that, these people, they are very, 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 very good. You understand? Just that the approach that they are using, that is why Africa is angry with them. You understand? Like the message that they are giving us is that we should just go back home and go and hold our politicians, our leaders accountable. We should tell them that they should plan the country. You should tell them that they should build the country. You understand? Like it's not a bad message, but the approach is what we are talking about. You see, so don't be there and be telling me that Ghana is far better than South Africa. No, Ghana can never be better than South Africa. Like it, you like it or you don't like it. When we are talking about the America of Africa, is South Africa. The America of Africa is South Africa. Let me tell you, the number of African people that are in South Africa here, the number of African people that are in South Africa here, you don't have idea of it. You don't have any idea of the number of people, number of Africans. We have all kinds of nationality here. You understand? If Ghana is better than South Africa, why we don't have so many Africans in Ghana? The majority of the other African countries that we have in Ghana is this thing, is Nigeria, because even those ones, they are closer to us. But when you come to South Africa here, we have different kinds of nationalities. If the country is not good, will people be coming here? Recently, Ralph, the fellow citizen, went to Ethiopia. He was doing comparison Ethiopia and Ghana. You understand? If before I continue, let me give a shout out to A+, the MP for the Gomua constituency. He just became the MP and he's doing a good work. Shout out to A+. Yeah, we love you and we see what we are doing. If all the ministers will behave or start doing things like A+, like a time is coming, our country is going to be a better place to live. You understand? South Africa is a better place. When we are talking about opportunities, when we are talking about job opportunities, South Africa is better. Have you asked yourself why there are a lot of African countries in African nationalities in South Africa here? No, you've not thought about that. But let me tell you, the reason why we are here plenty is that South Africa is the only country, that you can come, and whether you are documented or not documented, you can have your own business. You understand? Once you come to South Africa and you have your small money, you can, whether you are documented, you can get your small business and start doing. Can you tell me the same thing about Europe and America, that you just go to Europe and you go and open your own business? Never. It can never happen. That is why people are trooping into South Africa. Everybody wants to come to South Africa. Everybody wants to come to South Africa because when you have the skills and you come to South Africa and you have small money, you can start your small business somewhere. And South Africa is a country that when you have your distance, when you have a skill, you see, when you have a skill here in South Africa, and people know that you are good, oh my brother, life will be good for you. You see, it's those that came home and what we've been seeing on the TV. They are beating us. That's why it's like the whole Africa now is against South Africa. But let me tell you the true fact: we are staying here. The way the people that are home seeing the issue, we are not seeing the issue like that, because obviously it's not all the provinces that this is going on. You understand? But when they are reporting the issue to you in Ghana, or when you are watching the news, things that you'll be hearing is too much. It's too much. You understand? That is why it's like now Africa, we are all against South Africa just because of the approach. Apart from the approach, what they are doing, I don't see anything wrong with it. Tell your leaders to fix your country. Tell your leaders to fix your country. It's a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call for our leaders to start fixing our country. You understand? They are using, South Africa, they are using their taxpayers' money to fix their country. We too, we have taxpayers' money. We can also use it to do something. You understand? We can also use it to do something. It's not like the taxpayers' money is not coming. It's coming, but what the leaders, what are they doing with it? What are the leaders doing with the taxpayers' money? You understand? What are the leaders doing with the taxpayers' money? You see, common disabled, we can't even pay them. Common disabled, we can't even pay them. The blind, those that are in the wheelchair, we can't even pay them. But we are taking taxpayers' money. You see, one person will keep the money, one leader will keep the money, and the politicians, they will be spending the money anyhow. And now if the South Africans, they are angry and they say we should go back to our country, if people are saying our country is better than South Africa, my country is never better than South Africa. You understand? My country is never better than South Africa. My country is better, never better than South Africa. And 2026 year we Oko Ghana says here, and ye fie bia kra na tie fi wom. Obi rented down baby, nanso obesa ko baby fufro. Obesa ko public tie fi. Won, obesa ko public tie fi. Enemrem uti fie tie fi nim. Ebi mu kra tie fi a edware anim. It is obe jari. I just say okwa abontin na okwa jari. Obe ko tiefi. I just say okwa abontin na okwa tiefi. That way, then we are coming to tell me that my country is better than South Africa. What do you mean? Do you know what is going on here? Do you know how they've made life comfortable for us here as foreigners? Have you asked yourself questions that why we don't want to come home? You see, even those people that the government brought to Ghana, those 1,000+ people, there are over thousands of people that are still here that they don't want to come. You understand? So when you are facing the fact, just don't be sentimental about this issue. Just face the fact. Just say the truth. Just say the truth. You understand? South Africa is a good country. South Africa is a land of opportunity. South Africa is the America of Africa. It's the America of Africa. Whether you like it or you don't like it. You understand? The country is very blessed. You understand? A country of 63 or 65 million population. You see? And they've still put things in place for them. And things are working nice for them. You see? Things are working nice for them. Ghana, my population is, I think, 35.7 million. Just 35.7 million. And we are struggling like that. You see, there are a lot of things that as time goes on, we're going to discuss. You are here, you understand. But what we are saying now is a wake-up call for our leaders. Our leaders, we are not mentioning any party, we are not mentioning anybody's name, but it's our leaders. You understand? When this leader comes and starts, this leader also comes and starts. As time goes on, some years to come, the country will be a better place for us to stay. But if you don't want to do it, and the politicians, they want to be rich alone, to be taking their kids to better schools, better clinics and other stuffs, we'll continue to talk. You understand? We'll continue to talk. So don't come and tell me that my Ghana is better than South Africa. It's in your dreams. It's in your dreams that you can be thinking that. Everybody that any Ghanaian that is in South Africa here will attest to the fact, will attest to what I'm saying, that here, Ghana can never be better. Ghana can never be better than South Africa. Never. You understand? So when the issues come, when we are painting the country black, let's know some of the things to say. You understand? Some of these South African people, they are very good people to be with. You understand? Let me give you an example of recently what happened. I wasn't there at my shop. I came home to come and do something, and I heard that they said, we should close the shop. When I came back, it's the South African people. You see, it's the people that are working in the municipality, the South African people. They were the one that closed the shop for me before I came. You understand? They closed the shop for me before I came. You see, so with these people, you want me to go and stand somewhere and say that, oh, these people are bad, these people are this. No, I've been here for over 9 years. You understand? So I know what is going on, and I know these people very well. I know these people very well. You understand? So don't be somewhere and be telling me that Ghana is better. Ghana is better. You can mention another country, but not any country in Africa. If those Morocco, Egypt, and other countries, they are better than South Africa, why all of us, we are not going there? But all of us, we chose to come here because what? Here, there are opportunities here. Easy access to make money. Easy access to make money. When you come, you have a school, you can get a small place, you start doing your business. Even if you are illegal, you can start doing your business. You understand? The number of Ghanaians that are in South Africa, if there are 2,000 Ghanaians in South Africa here, 2,000, I can say it's only 100 that are documented. The 1,900, they are not documented. But still, they are making it. Still, life is going on well for them. So, my people, let's know some of the things to say. Don't just be online and just be saying something whilst you are not here. God bless.
Ngiyanibingelela babukeli. Hayi, nathi insizwa ngaphandle, Johanizwa nayo ikhalela ukuthi ayikhona. Le South Africa isezulwini elincane le South Africa. Uyabobona nje umkhaya bakhe bale kuGhana nababanye kwamazwe la eAfrika beyilinganisa ukuthi no, South Africa hayi izwe elihluphekayo elingelutho le-Afrika lana. Uthi mabayeke ukuyikhohlisa ngoba iSouth Africa ngisho izibhedlela zakhona hayi khona zisingeliphezulu. Ungafika noshintsho omncane le South Africa uma unekhono nje uvula ibhizinisi hawu uzawuthuthuka. Yingakho kugcwele bonke abafowethu abavela kumazwe ase-Afrika begcwele la ngoba vele ilizwe leli impela owenza izinto zenzeke. Kahle kahle iSouth Africa i-USA yala e-Afrika. South Africa awutholi noma ayifani namanye amazwe la ubona khona ukuthi kuyadiphotha, awudiphothwa la ufike illegally or legally angeke uze ube nankinga le South Africa. Uyavumelana into eyenziwa-ke iy'nhlangano ezikhona zale South Africa zokuthi abantu bangaphandle mabahambe, kodwa i-approach abenza ngayo ayi ibuhlungu. Ngathi-ke insizwa le iyay'khalela nayo phela ngoba iyasho ukuthi yaseGhana ukuthi hayi bo, angathi nayo ayifuni ugoduka iye ekhaya, iyabona ukuthi isinkwa hhayi ngathi sizophela. Iyesaba ukushiya ezulwini lala e-Afrika, eNingizimu Afrika. Hhayi mbukela, uthini wakho umbono ngalolu daba? Awubeke wakho umbono, siphinde sibonane evidiyo elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle.